Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the improvements to the distance feature of the worksheet. As you may already know, you can measure the distance between 2 points in your structure using this button. With the new improvements, when you choose your starting and ending spots, a green square will pop up. The square will snap to the closest point available and will display also a small description. This one can help you pick in the right spot. Once you choose your points, you can attach your measure to the worksheet, adding also a description next to it. This measure will also be displayed on all the technical sheets you will print. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.